Well, she drew out all her money from the Southern Trust, put her little boy on a Greyhound bus, leaving Louisiana for the golden West. Down came her tears from her happiness. Her own little son named Johnny B. Good, gonna make a motion picture out in Hollywood. Bye bye, bye bye, bye. Bye-bye, Johnny, goodbye, Johnny Baker. Well, she remembered taking money from gathering crops and buying Johnny's guitar at a local shop. Long as he would play it by the railroad side and wouldn't get in trouble, she'd be satisfied. But she never thought there'd ever come a day like this when she would have to give her son a goodbye kiss. Bye, 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 bye. Bye, 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 bye. Bye-bye, Johnny, goodbye, Johnny B. Well, she finally got the letter she'd been dreaming of. Johnny wrote and told her he had fell in love. Soon as they were married, he would bring her back, build a cabin for her by the railroad track. So every time they heard the locomotive roar, they'd be a standing at the window at the kitchen door. Bye, 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 bye. Bye-bye, Johnny. Goodbye, Johnny B. Well, she finally got the letter she'd been dreaming of. Johnny wrote and told her he had fell in love. Soon as they were married, he'd bring her back, build a cabin for her by the railroad track. So every time they heard the locomotive roar, they'd be a standing right at the kitchen door. Bye, 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 bye-bye, Johnny. Goodbye, Johnny B. Good.
Bye-bye, Johnny B. Good. Why is my mic barely on? Did you bring one up, please? There you go. Thank you. Bye Bye Johnny. Great song. Nice groove on that, Paul.
Yeah, that was fun.
Yeah, you kind of pulled it back a little.
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay.
I pulled it back a little bit and I lowered it a little bit.
Well, it
That's what it
sounded
needed
great.
to be. It needed to be backer and lower.
I love it. Hey, you're here at Carmine's Country Corner, and gee, in a couple of days, it's going to be 6 years, man, that we've been doing this, Paul.
My.
And Paul was with
How'd
me
that
from
happen?
day one. John came in a little later, but you've been with us, what, about 2-3 years now, John? Maybe longer.
More than that.
Maybe 4 years. And Swan was with us from day one. Gary Swan, he was here. And we had I had kind of a surprise tonight. A friend of mine who I hadn't seen in a really long time, bass player named John Lamb. And John, I forget, maybe you remember how we met or what year. It's been a long time. How far back do we go? Do you have any idea?
I think it's got to be 50 years.
Yes, yeah,
At least.
like 70s.
Yeah.
70s, early 80s,
Yeah,
mid
yeah.
70s.
I with Jim
few back.
Leslie. It might have been through him.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
A long time.
Yeah.
Well,
Good
so
guy.
another
Miss him.
flash from the past,
Yeah.
Paul.
Yeah. And I was telling you and John, I've got an old book of musicians' contacts. It's full of musicians. Page of John's on the first page.
That is fabulous. Well, John, we love you. And for a while, did you say you worked, was it CBS? NBC. And somehow, were you in the maintenance department or something? Because you used to bring me work.
I helped keep their vehicles on the road.
Yeah. He helped keep the vehicles that they had, the cars and trucks or whatever, on NBC. And he would bring them up to me to get me to repair the seats and stuff in them. And that's been a while.
That's been a while.
That's been a lot of years. Anyway, good to see you, buddy. You look great.
Good to be here. This is amazing.
Oh, we do this almost 6 years. May 20th will be 6 years. And we hardly ever miss a Sunday. I mean, we're here. So we're having a lot of fun.
Is it on YouTube?
Oh, yeah. YouTube and Facebook, big time.
Look it up under Carmen's.
Look up Carmine's Country Corner.
Perfect.
Yeah, look it up and you'll see a whole bunch. And you'll see some good names. People that come up, friends of ours, that played, a lot of good players. And Dr. Teresa's done it a bunch of times, of course. Now, Dr. Kathy just sits there and looks pretty.
Does
She
a good
doesn't
job
sing,
of it
she doesn't
too.
dance. She just comes up every week. She's been with us a long time. Both these young ladies come up all the time. So we love having you guys.
We
Okay.
like to be called like young ladies.
Well, what do we got? You hit a chord.
The only two things in life that make it worth living is a guitar with a tune good and firm feeling women. I don't need my name in the marquee to lights. I got my song and I got you with me tonight. Maybe it's time we got back to the basics of love. Let's go to looking back Texas, Willie and the boys. That successful life we're living, we got it feeling like we're happy as alcoholics. Between Hank Williams' brain song and Newberry Payne's song, blue eyes crying in the rain. Down in looking my pits, ain't nobody feeling no pain. So baby, let's sell your diamond ring, buy some boots, faded jeans and go over there. The city life is killing me. Raymond Gary, you're crying all day. We've been so busy keeping up with the Jones. 4-car garage and we're still building homes. Maybe it's time we got back to the basics of love. Let's go to looking back Texas,
job there, Gary.
I'm
So,
going to Texas.
If you're watching us on Facebook, make sure you push like and share. And if you're watching it on YouTube, which will be up a little later tonight, subscribe is the big one on YouTube that we need. More subscribers. We got a few,
Good.
but we're going. And what was I going to talk about? Oh, last night at Nosbury Farm, Tom Corbin, who was so funny
I love Tom.
and such a good artist, a fun guy to play with. He said tonight's Johnny Cash night, just off the top of his head. So what he did, every time he did a song, no matter who it was by, he would say something like, you know, Johnny Cash was good friends with this guy, you know.
I like that.
And no matter what the song was, he'd say, Johnny Cash would go to his concerts and watch this guy play. It was like all about Johnny Cash.
I saw this video where the guy knew Johnny Cash's son, but didn't know that his dad was Johnny Cash. And he invited him over to the house, and he said when he got there, the screen door was propped open with a Grammy. Yeah, he used to Grammy to prop the screen door open. That's what
Well,
I call country folk.
It was very funny, and I think next week he said it's going to be like Elvis night or something, and we're going to make up a bunch of stories about Elvis and
I like that.
all the different artists' songs that we're going to do. We're going to tie it into somebody else. It was a lot of fun because every song we laughed. The other, it was just funny.
Well, you remember what Elvis told me, don't you?
No, I don't.
Don't be a name dropper.
Son, don't be a name dropper. That's right. Well, I told you what he said about my guitar playing, didn't I? Nothing. Dead silence. You know.
One of my friends asked Johnny Cash if he had any advice for a younger artist, and he said, I don't give advice anymore, son. I told Roy Orbison he had to lower his voice and change his name.
Yeah. Yeah, that's, see how much we know? You know, even Johnny Cash makes mistakes. Anyway, it's a lot of fun. Okay, so Paul,
All right.
Two.
you know, we're here to do music, so we talk a little bit, then mostly we kind of want to play. So go ahead, Paul.
Let's do I Still Miss Someone.
I love
I believe this is a Johnny Cash song, right? Isn't it?
But did he write it?
I think he did.
You think so,
I
maybe?
do. I think so.
Wow.
He knew the guy
Geez,
that
oh,
did.
we have people that can find out. Kim's going to look it up. Let us know. Okay, what
C. Let's do it in C. Bum bum
Yeah.
bum bum. 4 5 1. 1 2 3.
At my door the leaves are falling. A cold wild wind will come. Sweethearts walk by together, and I still miss someone. And I never got over those blue eyes. I see them everywhere. I miss those arms that held me when all the love was there. When I go out on a party and look for a little fun, but I find
His microphone, the diaphragm is popping. He needs a new mic.
is?
Yeah.
Yeah, the mic is something's crackling a little bit. Did you find out, Kim?
I did 1958, songwriter Johnny Arcash and Arcash Jr.
Oh, they wrote it.
Yes,
I still miss someone.
yes.
Donnie, what?
I still miss someone. Johnny
Do
Arcash
you hear it?
and
That one's
Arcash
cracking.
Jr.
Oddcast. I hope I'm saying that right. Anyway,
Arcash.
He needs
Arcash. Yeah, Jr.
oh, Junior. Okay. Well, Oddcast Junior.
1958.
So, if I got that right,
Yeah. You got it.
ouch. Ouch. Ouch, mister.
did you figure out what it was? Not yet. Well, we'll figure it. Okay, Gary, do another one while we're trying to figure out this microphone
Yes,
and who wrote
sir.
that song. What do you got?
Face of an angel, pretty eyes that shine. I lie awake at night, wishing you were mine. Standing here open, biggest heartache in town. Whenever you come around, I get wicked and ill, and I lose my breath. Though I try so hard, but the words won't come. I'm so scared to death. When you smile, that smile, the world turned upside down. Whenever you come around, I feel uplifted. I feel just like a kid. What is it about you makes me keep my feelings hid? Tried to tell come around. Maybe you come around. Maybe you come around.
Big dramatic ending. I love it.
Big dramatic.
Great job, Gary.
Thank you.
You sing that song. John, what do you think?
Was that Rodney Crowell?
Vince Gill.
Oh, Vince Gill, okay.
Yeah.
Good luck. You make mine exactly like yours. So, Carmine, I'm going to be in Thumball, Texas
When?
next Saturday.
Notice how I didn't say where.
Because I just said it.
I didn't quite get that. Where are you going to be in
It's right-
Texas?
it's about 37 miles from Houston.
Oh, okay.
Thumball.
Okay, well, have fun.
Gonna have so much fun.
When are you leaving?
Friday.
Oh, so you won't be here next Sunday?
Yeah. I won't be here.
Huh? I know. Now, I was going to follow that up, but thank you, Kim. Kim, no, that's cool. Kim, you get to, listen, you get to say and do what you want around here. You're part of the show. So I got a call from Nashville, from Burton, from James. You know, I'm so proud of even knowing the guy. But anyway, his wife called and said that Monday the 4th, which is this coming a week from this Monday, they're having a thing at the Ryman Auditorium, 75th year celebration of, turn me down a little. I'm in one, because it's my show. So I'm in number one. See? If it was
Well, we can
your
change
show,
that.
if it was your show, you'd be in number one, but unfortunately, you're in number 3. Yeah,
Wow.
right behind Paul Marshall.
Wow.
Okay?
I'm
No,
number
actually, we started the show. Paul was always on the first channel because he's kind of one of the main singers, you know. So I put him in one, and somehow you ended up in second, which you deserve, and I was in third because I very seldom sing.
Yeah.
But when Dan Hugott took the thing home and re-rigged it for me, and got a bunch of, he put me in number 1. So I thought, well, okay, fine, but I don't belong there. Anyway, she called, Louise Burton called, and said they're having a thing on Monday, the 4th, at the Ryman Auditorium for the 75th celebration year of the Fender Telecaster guitar. Now, James Burton is almost like the godfather of the Telecaster sound. I mean, he was the guy that kind of wrote the book. At least that's what I think. And so she, his wife invited Susie and I to fly out and hang out with James and Louise and go to the event. So how can I turn that one down? So I didn't. I bought a couple of tickets at the last minute, which cost me a fortune. Thank you, Louise, for not calling me a month ago. And but we're going.
Go.
And I'm going to be there. We leave Sunday afternoon, and I picked all good hours at the airport. I made sure. I said, I'm not doing that thing where you got to get up at 4:30 in the morning to be at the airport by 5:30 or something. I said, I don't care what it is. So we leave Sunday at 1 in the afternoon, Burbank, not LAX.
Burbank.
We land about 9 o'clock Nashville time, which isn't too bad. We got a place, everything's cool. Next day's the event, and then the plane doesn't leave till like 9:30, 10 o'clock Tuesday morning. And we're on the plane. So I can get up at 7:38, be there by 8:30, and an hour and a half be on the plane. Then we get home, I think 5 o'clock or something, Tuesday night. But it's none of us that get up, the alarm clock goes off at 3:45, and you gotta start getting ready, forget that. So anyway, it's gonna be a lot of fun, and it's just a quick turnaround trip, but we're excited about it. Now, why did I mention that? Oh, because you're gonna be in Texas.
Yes.
Well, that's nowhere near Nashville. Well, it is actually pretty close, but probably not gonna run into each other.
No, I'm not going to. I thought Burbank's a great airport,
Yep.
but then you got to park. Wow, that was a nightmare.
Well, that's why you have people drop you off,
Yeah.
and
They
then
just-
they pick you up.
Sometimes they don't bring your car back though.
Oh. about all that anyway. I'm being dropped off in Burbank, and then they'll pick us up when we're done. That's enough about that. Paul, who just sang one? He did. Paul, I want to do. Oh, wait a minute. Wait. We have kind of like a
Oh,
special
yeah?
thing. We have a
Yeah.
special thing tonight. Pound,
Yeah.
get that harmonica out, man.
Oh, really? See,
Okay.
you didn't have time to stop the harmonica. No, dude, don't bring the harmonica. Dude, I have to have the harmonica.
I love harmonica, and you know that. So,
just can't help myself. Hillbilly blues and I just can't help myself. Saddle up my pony, take a walk, I'm gonna head out west. Come on, Danny. I got the hillbilly blues 'cause my baby put me down. Hillbilly blues, my baby shut me down to the ground. I wanna saddle up my pony, I wanna leave this town. Come on, Popeye. I got the hillbilly blues and it's got me going round and round. Hillbilly blues and it's got me going round and round. I wanna saddle on my pony, I wanna leave this town.
There you go.
John
nothing
Palmer.
like a nice straight ahead shuffle.
Man, we hit that talent for how many
Oh,
years
it's kind of a
now?
rock beat, wasn't it?
Eddie Clearwater, 1962, I think.
Good stuff.
Great
All
stuff.
right, now, Paul.
Top that, Paul.
Oh, I can't top that.
Oh, yes,
I'll
you
just
can.
I'll just do something.
Do something right underneath it. Great job, John. Great job. Be singing all the time.
I'm getting there. I think that I'll use that for them, to start the career. I thought I'd get to that point where
The career
I'm
just
gonna
started.
start the career pretty damn soon.
That's singing, man.
I know.
cool.
I know.
I have a quick question. How many Paisley guitars does James Burton have?
You know what? I don't know. I've seen the original one that he played with Elvis. Never played it. It was like in a glass thing. But I haven't noticed too many others. The two guitars I was most interested in, which I got to check out pretty good, was the one he did Susie Q with in 1957, and a lot of the Ricky Nelson, Hello Mary Lou, I think was played on that red telly. His mom bought
So
that. for
Susie
him.
Q was his first session.
And then what?
Susie Q was his first session.
Well, I didn't know that, but
I believe-
he was young, yeah.
Yeah.
You know, that song, that Susie Q lick and all that was actually an instrumental that Burton had come up with.
Wow.
And they played it as an instrumental. in the band with it was Dale Hawkins.
Dale Hawkins,
Yeah.
yeah, baby.
He was with Dale Hawkins, and this had to be around, well, it was 58, 59, maybe like that. I think it was after. Was it after Ricky Nelson or before? I don't know. Anyway, so he came up with that. He came up with that lick, and then Dale Hawkins put words to it. And Dale actually wrote the words to Susie Q, but originally it wasn't his realm. And Bert never got credit for writing it, for writing the music. Dale got the song, and he got all the rights. And back then, Burton said, you know, I was like 15. What did I care? I didn't know. I was just playing, 16 years old. And he says he wrote and we stayed friends, and it was never a thing. It was just, that's cool. And but he said, I actually wrote that lick. So that's the story on it. But that Red Tully, still in good shape, man.
Cool.
It's got a lot of stories. And the Paisley, and then the others. He's got about 300 guitars, I think. So I don't know what he used on what, you know, but those are his two most famous ones.
Dale Hawkins' manager wanted me to get him high after the show.
Yeah? Well, that's okay. That's good for him. Okay, what else?
Let's do I Can't Help It If I'm Still in Love With You in the key of G. 2/4 shuffle. 5511. Dot, dot, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Just because I asked a friend about her, just because I spoke her name somewhere, just because I read her number by mistake today, she thinks I still care. And just because I'm on the same old places where the memory of her lingers everywhere, just because I'm not the happy guy I used to be, she thinks I still care. But if she's happy thinking I still need her, well, let that same notion bring her cheer. Oh, but how could she ever be so foolish? Tell me where would she get just because I spoke her name somewhere, just because I saw her there all to pieces. She thinks I still care. She thinks I still
She thinks I still care. George Jones, right?
George Jones,
Got
yes,
the big
sir.
hit on it.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah. He said George Jones.
How much time we got?
He said.
Oh, we still got 15, 18 minutes.
Yeah.
We still got time. You don't have another one, do you? Tonight?
Not tonight.
Not tonight. All right. Well, we got the one out of John. That's
Yeah,
pretty good.
that's a good one.
I told Bob to do the song, so the next time when Bob's here, I can have him play the song.
Oh yeah. Well,
It's
Bob's
very
on
easy.
here.
This is what you said.
He'll be back. They'll all
It's
come
all
back.
easy as that.
I'm still in love with you.
Do it. What key?
I almost did that. Hey, I was thinking about that.
The day I passed you on the street, and my heart fell at your feet. I can't help it if I'm still in love with you. Somebody else stood by your side, and it looked so satisfying. I can't help it if I'm still in love with you. A picture from the past came slowly creeping, as I brushed you wrong, stood so close to you. Then suddenly I got that old time feeling. I can't help it if I'm still in love with you. Take it, Earl. For my heart to know how to live, have kissed you, held you just the way I used to do. Suddenly I got that old time feeling. I can't help it if I'm still in love with you. No, I can't help it if I'm still in love with you. To all the girls I hate before.
Okay, I'm gonna do one. Hope you're enjoying the show, folks. I don't know why I can't talk, but we're having a good time. What we got? About 15 minutes. I'm gonna do a quick one, and then we'll let the boys shut it down.
What's that noise?
You mean the fast tempo, or you mean the song?
I'm not gonna do a wait for it. Was it Johnny Cash? Paul will close the show. Thanks for watching, folks. Tell a friend. Make sure you push like and share on Facebook and subscribe on YouTube. That'll help us out a little bit. We'll get more viewers that way. Thank you. And see you next week. What do you got there, Gary?
All up for me and G. You ready, John?
Yeah.
1, 2, 1. Everybody's going out, having fun. I'm just a fool for staying home, having none. I can't get over how they left me free. Oh, lonesome me. Big mistake I know I made, hanging around. I know that I should be living now, painting the town. All of everything made it easy. Oh, long for me. Well, I bet she's not like me. She's out and paying the fruit, flirting with a boy, all her charm. Well, I still love her so, and brother, don't you know, I'd welcome her right back in my arms. There must be some way I can lose these long blues. Get up back to past time, on the avenue, all of everything made it easy. Oh, I bet she's not like me. I'm paying the fruit. With the flirting with him, boy, all her charm. Well, I still love her so, and brother, don't you know, I'd welcome her right back here in my arms. Well, there must be some way I can live this long blues. Get up at that bed time, all I can do. Sort of everything easy. Oh, long for me. Oh, long for me.
Endings while you wait.
We didn't wait long though.
And not at all. Wait now. Hi, Susie. My wife just got everybody straightened up. The boss is here. Did you get the money? That's the main thing.
Well, that's why we're all
All the
happy.
boys are
Hi,
happy now.
Susie.
See? Hi, they all love Susie. Believe me, folks, it isn't much money. They're more happy to see Susie than they are the money, believe me. But anyway, it's all good. Okay, Paul, so we got 5 minutes. We're going to say goodnight. Thanks for watching. John Lamb, don't be such a stranger. Come up more. Come play sometime with us. Have some fun. We'd love to have you. And thank you, Gary. Great job. Palmer, good singing. That was a lot of fun. We'll do it again. Paul, of course, love you. The family's good. We didn't
Family's
talk about
good,
that
that's
today,
all
but
good. Good,
everything's
good, good.
okay.
Good.
Well, we'll take that up next week. We'll finish that conversation. Okay, what do we got?
I'm blue, I'm lonesome.
Oh, I love that song.
Hey.
Key of A. I like that key. Okay, folks, don't be late. See you next week.
1, 2, vamping, hey. The lonesome side of a train going by makes me want to stop and cry. I recall the day it took you away. I'm blue, I'm lonesome too. When I hear that whistle blow, I wanna pack my suitcase and go. The lonesome side of a train going by makes me want to stop and cry. It's still under night, pale moonlight. The wind, it moans and cries. I recall the day it took you away. I'm blue, I'm lonesome too. When I hear that whistle blow, I wanna pack my suitcase and go. The lonesome side of a train going by makes me wanna stop and cry. I hear it. In the still of the night, in the pale moonlight, the wind it moans and cries. I recall the day it took you away. I'm blue, I'm lonesome. When I hear that whistle blow, I wanna pack my trunk and go. Some side of a train going by makes me wanna stop and cry. I'm blue, I'm lonesome too.
Good night, folks.
Yeah, I think it crapped out. I heard what you were talking about.